Welcome to this Leadership Tracker and Journal, a leadership system based on the U.S. Army's proven leadership framework of Be No Do. This Notion template will help you develop leadership character, track skills, and monitor actions, all in one place. Your journey begins at this dashboard, which visualizes your leadership development across three dimensions: character values, leadership skills, and completed actions. The dashboard shows your growth at a glance, highlighting values you've demonstrated, skills that need practice, and your weekly performance trends. Notice how the dashboard automatically generates two critical views: skills requiring practice and high performance skills. These visualizations help you focus your development efforts where they'll have the most impact. For each journal entry, you'll reflect on what leadership value you embodied today, which skill you used or improved, what leadership action you completed, and any ethical scenario you faced. As you start each day, create a journal entry using the Journal Entry button in the Leadership Forms section. Simply click the Leadership Reflection button to create your daily journal entry. This is where you'll document your leadership journey. Next, track which leadership values you embodied today by clicking Values Demonstrated. The system visualizes these values with progress bars, helping you identify your character strengths. Document completed leadership actions by clicking Actions Performed. Your dashboard tracks these cumulatively, as you can see in the action counter, showing actions across influencing, operating, and improving. When facing leadership challenges, click Decisions Made to record scenarios and your responses for future reference. Similarly, track your leadership skills by category and proficiency. The system highlights strengths and growth opportunities. The Leadership Skills database tracks your proficiency across interpersonal, tactical, conceptual, and technical domains. Each skill is rated on a 1 to 5 scale with automatic status indicators showing where you're strong and where you need improvement. When facing leadership challenges, record the scenario, the response taken, ethical theme, and any outcome for future reference. As you consistently use the system, your dashboard transforms into a powerful leadership development tool, showing trends, patterns, and growth opportunities. The Be, Know, Do framework isn't just about tracking, it's about becoming the leader you aspire to be through consistent reflection and action. The system includes quick access to all components through the Content Links section, keeping everything organized and accessible. As you consistently use the system, you'll develop the character traits: Be, acquire the knowledge; Know, and perform the actions; Do, that define exceptional leaders, all tracked and visualized to ensure continuous improvement.